Good morning, my beautiful students. How are you today? Are you fine? That's good. Okay, girls. Are you excited to start my own lesson for today, girls? That's good. Okay, girls, let's start my own lesson for today. But before starting, let me ask you about the day and the date. Who can tell me, girls? What's the day today? Today is Thursday. Let's spell the word Thursday together. Thursday. Thursday. And the date is 21 to 1442 after Hijrah. The date is 21 to 1442 after Hijrah. Okay, girls? Now let's take a quick revision before starting my own lesson for today, girls. Let's see ask and answer. If I ask you, girls, how do you feel today? I feel happy today. So, give me the spelling of the word hungry. Hungry. Give me the spelling of the word cold. Cold. Make a sentence using the word hungry. I feel hungry today, so I will eat my favorite meal now. Okay, girls? Now, let's start my own lesson for today, girls. Unit 3, Lesson 1. Unit 3, today, inshallah, we will start a new unit. Unit 3, Lesson 1. It's about things we do. It's about things we do. Page number 20 and 21. Page number 20 and 21. Please, girls, I want you now to open your box. Page number 20 and 21. Write the day with the date, then close your box. Okay, write the day with the date, girls, on page 20 and 21 and close your box. Okay, now, then open your notebook. Write the day with the date, then copy these sentences in your notebook. What is your dad doing? He is watching TV. Copy these sentences in your notebook. What's your dad doing? He is watching TV. Okay, girls? Copy these sentences in your notebook and don't forget to write the day with the date. Okay, girls? Then let's start my own lesson for today by asking you a very simple question, girls. What do you do every day? Again, what do you do every day? For example, number 1, I brush my teeth every day. I do my homework every day. I pray every day. I sleep early every day. I help my mother. Okay? So, what do you do every day? I brush my teeth every day. I do my homework. I pray. I help my mother. I watch TV. I sleep early. Okay, girls? Now, let's start the present continuous. The present continuous consists of I, then am. So what should I use with I? I should use am, I am. Then the verb with ing. Again, I am plus the verb with ing. For example, let's make an example here. For example, I am studying English now. I am studying English now. Okay, girls? Here we have she, he, and it. She, he, and it. What should I use with she, he, and it? I should use is. So, she is, he is, it is, plus the verb with ing. She is, he is, it is, plus the verb with ing. Here, let's make an example. Here, I can see a girl swimming. So, she is swimming. She is swimming. She is swimming. Here we have they, we, and you, plural nouns, plural personal pronouns. We should use with these plural personal pronouns are. So they are, we are, you are, plus the verb with ing. Okay, girls? Here we have a picture. Let's describe this picture using the present continuous. They are playing basketball. They are playing the verb with ing basketball. Okay, girls? So I am, she is, plus the verb with ing. He is, it is, they are, we are, you are, plus the verb with ing. Okay, girls? Now use the present continuous in the following sentences. Here we have she, then a space, then between brackets, the verb read, then a book. She, use the present continuous. First of all, we have she. What should I use? Is or are or am? She is reading. She is reading. Then I will add ing to the verb. Okay? Then we study English now. We, what should I use with e? Am, is or are? Are. Then we have the verb study. What should I add? I add ing. So we are studying English now. Okay, girls? Number 3, my homework now. My homework now. What should I use with I? Always use am with I. So I'm doing my homework now. Number 4, it rain today. So what should I use with it? I should use is, then add ing to the verb. It's raining. It's raining. Okay, girls? Now, choose the right answer. Choose the right answer. We have she, then between brackets, we have am, is, are, swimming now. Okay? What should I use? We have she. What should I use? Am, is, or are? Of course, is, girls. Number 2, then we have am, is, are, playing football. What should I use with I? Girls always use with I am. Okay? I am. I am a teacher. Okay, girls? Number 3, we have we. We have am, is, or are studying English. What should I use with we? I should use are. We are studying English. Number 4, he, am, is, or are jumping. He, what should I use with he? I should use is. He is jumping. Okay, girls? Now, circle the correct answer. Number 1, choose the right answer, girls. Here we have they, he, or she. What should I use with this picture? They, he, or she. I should use what? They, because how many persons do I have? I have 3 persons, so I should use they, okay? Here we have she, he, and it. First of all, what can you see? I can see a girl. So what should I use with a girl? She for girls, for a girl, he for a boy, it for a thing. Okay, so here I should say she. Then number 3, we have she, he, and it. She is used for a girl, boy is used for a boy, it is used for a thing. So here I should use he. Okay, girls? Then we have she, he, and it. First of all, this is a thing because it's a doll. So I should use it. It's not a girl, it's not a boy, it's a doll. So it's a toy. So I should use it. Okay, girls? Now give me examples of animals, girls. Lion, giraffe, tiger, monkey, hippo. Okay? Now let's see the first word in my lesson today, girls. What can you see here? I can see an elephant. I can see an elephant. Let's spell the word elephant together. L-E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. E-L-A-P-H-A-N-T. E-L-A-P-H-A-N-T. Then the second word we have a fawn. Let's spell the word fawn together. P-H-O-N-E. P-H-O-N-E. Word number 1 is elephant. 2, phone, P-H-O-N-E. And number 3, what can you see here? I can see a camera and photos. So the word here is photo. Again, photo, P-H-O-T-O. P-H-O-T-O. Okay, girls? Now, read these conversations. Here we have, what are you doing? I'm studying now. What are you doing? I am studying now. Here, what is your dad doing? He is watching TV. He is watching TV. What's your dad doing? He is watching TV. Okay, girls? Now, I want you to open your books, please, girls, page number 20. Page number 20. And listen, please. Open your books, page 20, and listen, please, girls, now.
Unit 3. Things we do. Talk time. Exercise 1. Listen and point. Hello. Can I speak to Joe? Speaking. It's a fruit. What are you doing? Hi, Safruit. I'm doing my homework. What's your dad doing? He's watching TV. Hello. Can I speak to Joe? Speaking. It's Safruit. What are you doing? Hi, Safruit. I'm doing my homework. What's your dad doing? He's watching TV.
Joe? Hello, can I speak to Joe? Speaking. It's Safruit. What are you doing? Hi, Safruit. I'm doing my homework. What's your dad doing? He is watching TV. Okay, girls? Now, listen, say, and match, then write the missing letters. Please, girls, listen.
Sounds and letters. Exercise 3. Listen, say, and match. Then write the missing letters. F says phone. Phone. Photo. Phonics. Elephant. Phone. Photo. Phonics. Elephant.
Okay, girls, now I want you to match the words with the pictures. Where is the phone? Here. Where is the photo? Here. Where is phonics? Here. And the elephant is here. Now, I like the elephant at PH. Photo. I like the elephant photo. Okay, girls? Now, let's see fun time telephone conversation. Telephone conversation. Act out a telephone conversation. Call a friend and ask what he or she is doing. We will do this exercise together, girls, in my life. But now, I want you to listen. Okay?
Fun time. Exercise 4. Telephone conversation. Act out a telephone conversation. Call a friend and ask what he or she is doing. Hello. Can I speak to Samir? Speaking. It's Adele. What are you doing? Speak up. What are you doing? Hi, Adele. I'm eating snacks. Lucky you.
Okay, girls. Then, you have the homework, girls. Page number 79 and 80. 79 and 80, please, girls. I want you to trace the gray words here. Trace the gray words and speak English with your family or a friend doing this exercise with your family, girls. Okay? Now, then you will have another homework. I want you to write 5 sentences using the present continuous as she is swimming. I'm studying English now. Okay, girls? Don't forget to write the handwriting, sentences, write your homework in your book, in your activity book, and this homework. Thank you for listening, Goodwood.